Alright guys, on the Mercruiser 4.3 turnkey start, there's one that's on the front of the engine. I'll shoot it in from on the top. So from the top, follow me. You're not going to be able to see it barely. Right here. So I just showed you from underneath, facing on the front, kind of right under the alternator. There's one. There's 5 on this thing. The next one, let's see if I can find it on here, is, oh, right there. Ah, darn it. Trying to do this. So I already took the plug out. It's right here. Just follow this hose. It's right here. And the other one still should have the plug in it. They're blue. Trying to find it for you. There it is. So, right there. Trying to set the camera. Right here. There's the other one. They just look like this. So there's 2 on the left. That one is dripping. And right here's the other one. 1, 2. One in the front, that's 3. They're all these guys right here. So on this side is going to be a little trickier. I don't know if I'll be able to show you this one. I had to use a mirror. So this is the right side. There it is. This one's towards the back, closer to the engine. And I don't have anywhere to put this, so I'm not going to be able to. So, right side. Follow this tube down. There's number 1. Follow the tube. Number 1. Right here. And then one towards the back. I just showed you. So that's where all 5 of those are.